I'm making spicy fried mince pork for dinner. It's a Thai recipe. It's really good and I've kind of simplified it. So I leave a couple of the usual ingredients out and kind of just generally use what I've got in the pantry, but it still tastes just so good. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start with 2 garlic cloves, which I'm going to chop up, and some ginger, so probably a couple of tablespoons of that, so I'll peel it and grate it. And then we'll start frying it up. I've got my wok. I'm going to put some oil in here and then fry up the onion and the garlic. If I had spring onions, I would use them, but I don't, so I'm just going to leave them out. I'm also putting some rice on to serve it with. I'm going to add 500 grams of minced pork. So I am frying up the pork with the garlic and the ginger, and I'm just mixing the pork to break it up and also till it browns, and then I'll add some of the other ingredients. The pork is brown, so I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of red curry paste, or you can put in a bit more curry paste if you want it to be a bit spicier. And then mix it all through. Also, it's really good with kaffir lime leaves if you've got some. I've got a tree outside, so I'm just going to get some leaves. But if you don't have it, it still tastes delicious. So I've got 6 kaffir lime leaves, which I've just picked, and I'm going to put them in and stir them through. I'm just going to add 1 tin of tomatoes, so it's a 400 gram tin of tomatoes, straight in there, stir it through and then lower the heat a little bit. I'm going to leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes. The spicy fried mince pork has been simmering long enough, so I'm just going to turn it off, and then once the rice is ready, it is ready to serve and eat. I'm going to serve the spicy fried mince pork now, so I'm going to serve it with rice. It's also really good if you've got coriander to put through it. I don't have any, so I'm just going to leave it out. But it still tastes absolutely amazing.